So you're thinking about buying your very first property, but you have no idea all the fees that go into buying a home. Well, today we're gonna go over all the fees that it takes to purchase your very first property. So let's jump right into it. What's going on, everyone? It's Logan Francavilla. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, this is the place where we talk about all things Sonoma County and all things real estate. So if either of those things interest you, please hit that little subscribe button. Let me know you're supporting the channel. Motivates me to continue making more videos and content like this. But with that being said, let's jump into today's topic. So there's two ways that you could purchase a property. You could purchase it all cash, or you could use financing. And all financing means it's just getting a loan from a lender. And in this video, we're gonna go over the fees for both scenarios, so let's jump right into it. All right, so let's start off with the all cash purchase. So you're gonna have a couple different categories of fees, but let's first start off with the title related fees. So under title related fees, you're gonna have title fees, lender's title insurance, owner's title insurance, and recording fees and other taxes. Now keep in mind, depending on who you use as your title company, they might just bunch all these fees into the title fees, but it's just something to keep in mind moving forward. So the next category of fees that you will incur when purchasing a property all cash is escrows and prepaids. Now this includes homeowner's insurance, homeowner's insurance premium, and what this means, you're actually paying for the first 12 months of owning your home into your closing costs. So it's really not good to have an uninsured home, but this ensures that the day that you close on your property, your home is fully insured. And the next fee under escrows and prepaids is property taxes. So every county is a little bit different, but here in Sonoma County, you could expect your property taxes to be about 1.25% of the purchase price. And that amount is per year. So if you want to calculate your property taxes per month, you would take 1.25% of your purchase price, divide that by 12, and that will be your property taxes per month. And the last fee that you will incur under escrow and prepaids is prepaid interest. Now this amount will vary depending on when in the month that you closed on your property, but let's say that you close on your home in the middle of March. You actually won't have your first mortgage payment until May, because mortgages you actually pay in arrears, which means you're actually paying for the previous month when you pay for a mortgage, compared to when you rent a property, you pay on the first for that month. So it's actually a little bit backwards from renting a property, but it's just something to keep in mind when you're calculating those monthly payments. All right, so now let's go over some of the fees that you will incur when purchasing a property with a loan. So under loan fees, you have lender fees, because the lender needs to get paid. You have an appraisal fee, and what this is, the bank is gonna send an appraiser out to your property. They're gonna make sure that it's worth what you're paying for and that they're willing to lend on the property. So you have the appraiser fee. And the last optional fee that you might incur are discount points. Now, discount points is actually when you pay money to lower your rate. So it's just something to consider moving forward. Some people like this. They'd rather pay a little bit more money up front to get their rate lowered, but definitely just talk with your lender and see if that might be the best option for you in your situation. All right, so now you have a better idea of some of the fees that go along with purchasing a property all cash or with financing, but you're still not sure about an exact number amount. Well, just as a super rough estimate, you could think about your fees as about 3% of the purchase price. Now, this is a big give or take number. Could be a lot higher, could be a lot lower, but it really comes down to just talking with your lender and figuring out what the number is in your exact situation. So now you know a little bit more about the fees that go into purchasing a property, but keep in mind, these fees can be negotiated. That's why it's super important to have a good realtor on your side to help you out during escrow to save you as much money as possible. If you have any personal questions for me, I'll leave my info in the description below. Also, let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. I'd love to hear from you guys, so leave some comments in the comment box below, but I'll catch you guys around at the next video.